off, Charlie. Rafe Alfie. Rafe Ben. Fuck off. Hump him.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that's enough for you.
Yeah. Is this a good video?
Yeah, it is. We're putting it on Pornhub as well. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
Can I film you?
I'll do the selfie thing. How can you tell it?
No, when it's subscribe to you.
No, not last checked.
Somebody
Can you give me your rendition of All Star?
of All Star.
The song that you were just singing.
Somebody once told me the world is going round. You're a cunt. I'm going to look at
Are you brain damaged?
No, I sing you a chant.
Okay, go on then, lad.
It's a legendary chant.
I'm bringing it.
Are you ready for this now?
Come on.
Camille's fanny on your face, on your face, on your face. Camille's fanny on
ladies
your
and
face,
gentlemen,
and
art.
your bell end. Sorry, Carlos's bell end. Yeah, fuck off this side. Do you know Jago's bar? Charlie was running off. Do it Do it again tomorrow. What, like that? Yeah.
No,
He's just recording the ground.
I'm doing artistic side shots and shit.
You're more like autism.
Yeah, I am actually. Thank you. Not you.
Don't stop coming, they don't stop coming. Are you actually going to record the whole way?
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I'm a shitpost channel. I don't care.
After I do the balloon thing. Balloon! Wait, he's the one that's jumping up and down. No, it fucking flies up in the air. I thought Noel was jumping onto me and going flying.
What, he's the balloon.
On the balloon! I thought that was what's happening.
Can we have an interview with Thomas Dennis?
Go on then, ask me some questions.
What? Yeah.
I'm not gay.
What's it like being Justin Bieber with Down syndrome?
What's it like being a bloody dyke?
Good point. Anybody else want to do an interview for Noel the Dyke?
To yourself.
Okay, I will.
Good.
Just I'll tattoo.
No, ask me some serious questions and I'll do a proper one.
Ooh, okay. What do you think has brought you this far?
My cock.
No, Charlie.
Oh, you put it in the bin bag.
Put it in your.
Will you say your acting? Will you say your porn career has gone pretty successful since you started in the 90s?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
I've shagged over 10,000 women.
Okay. One last question: are you gonna fuck that pot plant when you get home?
Of course, mate.
Wait, Dennis, did you actually try that thing with the sponge and the glove?
I was gonna try it.
Basically, you
I wanted to try it. No, Jago tried
two
it.
sponges, put them into the cup.
Jago
basically
said he
get
tried
that,
it.
Put a glove over it. And basically, it's constantly score.
Yeah, it fucking is.
Yeah. I'm going to ask him.
No, I'll just say it in the video.
Wait,
Jago, your cock's tiny. If you're watching this, mate.
It's not.
Even Noel's got a bigger penis than you, Jago.
He's only got 3 inches.
I make them count.
You make them count.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Add on
I
one.
love count. No.
One for love.
No, well, zoom in on her ass first. Zoom that.
I'm not zooming in
Yeah,
on
let's
random woman's ass.
Why not?
Because this is going on Pornhub, I know, but...
Views.
Oh yeah, right, but we need a woman's tits. People are more into tits now.
Where
Got mine.
Yeah, let's go. You're the buxom one among us, Charlie. Niall the Dyke, truly highbrow entertainment. We're 5 minutes in, by the way. Nobody's gonna watch this far, probably. Before they dislikes or likes on my channel. So. Actually, one of my videos got 50 views. Such a preacher.
Those were 50p, you arsehole.
Are you brain damaged, Charlie?
They were. Where's Lisa? Somewhere. That's where she comes out.
I am, yeah. We're 6 minutes and 10 seconds in. We got 8 minutes left according to my little counter thing. The thing is, I've got like a whole film on this thing, so that's probably why. I don't know.
Record you.
Oh.
Yo. Lisa. Lisa, the lesbian. Ooh, ee, oh, ah, ting, tang. Lisa, the lesbian. Ooh, ee, ah, ting, tang. What on a big way?
Can I have a full shot of the lads?
Oh. Hello. I just come to say hello. My name is Luca, and I'm a special. I eat my favorite things out. I like to eat bush chicken. My friends say I'm good fun, but the one thing that I cannot do is I like to run. I'm bouncing, falling all around, rolling, bowling, and throwing. I wanna rest around the mouth with one. I get the hang of it. The trying as I might. I got a brother. Like me. Mum says he's a lad dog and he's never up her knee. It's just like a bullet. It's my fire from a gun. They tried their best to teach me and I still can't say. I'm bouncing, falling all around, rolling, I try my best, I'm gonna return. Pedigree, she won the competition in 2003. This is going on Pornhub?
Yeah, it's going on Pornhub and YouTube, yeah.
Listen, if you know Luca the Pug, tell him subscribe.
Sing the rest.
I don't know the rest. Luca the Pug is not dead.
He's fucking idiot. Why did they make a video saying Luca is dead?
You're going to touch a dead bird.
Let's get this on film. We have a dead bird here, ladies and gentlemen. That's lovely. Let me get a proper zoom up.
No, don't, Dennis, don't. No, don't. Oh!
And do it again.
Ah, you prick.
Hang on, I'll do it.
What was that?
It's fucking moving. Three men, one bird. The new on Best Shoppers.
3 boys, 1 man, 2 boys.
Can we get another saucy scene in for the Pornhub viewers?
This time we're doing it in a bush.
Another saucy scene for the Pornhub viewers, my loyal fans on that beautiful website. Pornhub will probably take this down. Yeah.
But yeah, can't say I want a calculator.
I'll have a calculator.
Shit.
Oh, I have one of them. I stole one from Sans as well.
Well, it's not well. It's mine.
Come on, the Pornhub viewers want to watch more.
Well, why don't you fuck it?
Okay then, that's fine. We'll get a first person view. We'll get a first person view.
You like my sick whip?
I don't know if I should.
Oh, my sick whip does 10 miles per hour. Gang gang.
Wow.
He says he's going to.
Wow.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Subscribe for more of this beautiful art. I'll see you later.